welcome to watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on June 20th. Market analysis. The escalating conflict in the Middle East and Russia and Ukraine offset the impact of the Fed's hawkish remarks. The spot gold market remained in a range of volatility. Yesterday, the market peaked at $3,387.98 per ounce, and the lowest was $3,347.69 per ounce, and finally closed at $3,370.70 per ounce. After the opening of Asia in early trading this trading day, the market fell slightly, and the lowest in the day was $3,344.71 per ounce. At present, it remains in the intercommunity volatility. Recent market hotspots focus on trade tariffs and geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.44 to $33.58, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,358 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.68 to $33.78. If the afternoon market breaks 3,344 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $33.34 to $33.24. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in a rising mood in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in a high shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1510 and 1.1533, and the operating bank can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1533 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1560 to 1.1590. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1510 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1470 to 1.1430. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. On the hourly chart, the exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a main upward mood, and on the 15-minute chart, it is in a high shock stage, with a shock range of 1.3477 to 1.3500. If the market breaks 1.3500 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3550 to 1.3590. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3477 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3430 to 1.3400. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a rising mood in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in a high shock stage, with a shock range of 0.6474 to 0.6496, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price. If the market breaks 0.6496 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6530 to 0.6560. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6474 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be 0.6430 to 0.6400. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is in a shock stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 145.11 to 145.56. If the market breaks 145.56 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 145.90 to 146.30. If the afternoon market breaks 145.11 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 144.50 to 144.00. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.